What are driver's license points? When it comes to sports or reward credit cards, earning points is frequently advantageous. Unfortunately, these are not what you want in terms of points on your driving record. Instead, these points are earned when you engage in activities that are not permitted while operating a motor vehicle. But if you've committed a recent error and a point, or points, are coming your way, you might be able to get them overlooked. You must be aware of the following. How many points are there on your driver's license? The Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV, operates a driver violation point system in some states. Drivers accrue points on their license for each traffic or major violation they commit. Consider receiving a fine for texting or talking on the phone while operating a vehicle. In Kentucky, you will receive 3 license points, whereas in New York, you will receive 5. States that use point systems have a cap on the number of points you can accumulate before your license is first suspended and subsequently revoked. Additionally, your auto insurance company receives notification of each point, which raises your rates. The system is designed to identify drivers who consistently drive carelessly and to assign punishments. Which states utilize a points system? Although there are specific driving laws in each state, they are not all the same. All states, with the exception of the following 9, have a driving point system: Washington, Hawaii, Kansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Minnesota, Oregon, Rhode Island, and Wyoming. While the majority of states in the U.S. do use point systems, their operations vary. They might, for instance, assign various violations with various points. Recall that several states also consider violations committed outside their borders. This implies that switching from one state to another will not suddenly erase whatever points you may have on your license. How can you remove points from your license? You might be concerned about accruing points and seeing your auto insurance rates rise if you've recently received a ticket for a traffic infraction. Although there is a very real risk involved, there may be a way for you to keep those points off your license. For a number of violations, many states permit attendance at traffic school. They will therefore lower the cost of your ticket, remove the infraction from your record, and prevent the points from appearing on your license. Additionally, you will avoid an insurance rate hike because your insurer won't be informed.